Hi there. This is a set of vocal drills and warm-ups that you can use on any sound, so any vowel sound or any SOVT sound. So SOVTs are things like z, v, zh, and r. And then of course the vowel sounds are r, e, o, and oo. So you can use these at any time to warm up. Now this one is specifically for high voices. I do have another one for mid-range and I will have another one for lower voices as well. So let's get started. First is a 5-note scale. Now I'm not going to make a sound. You can make whatever sound you need to. If you're a complete beginner, I would recommend one of the SOVT sounds. You might want to start with z or the lip bubble or the tongue trill. So here we go. Last one. Now remember, with all of these exercises, exercise is not only to sing as high as you can. Please don't strain your voice. If it feels too high and if you feel some tightness start to creep into your throat when you're singing, that means that you're starting to add tension, and that's going to cause strain. So please only sing as high as you comfortably can, and eventually you will expand your range, but don't force it. Okay, next we're going to sing triads. Here we go. We're going into Mariah Carey and Ariana Grande territory here. This is very high, even for sopranos. So don't be disheartened if it's too high for you. And don't force yourself trying to get there. You don't want to cause strain. Last one. Now, if if you're really serious about singing and you're enjoying this, I do recommend A, like this and share it with someone else that you think will benefit, but do take my free 5-day singing course. You'll find that in the description. All you need to do is find that free 5-day singing course, go to the link there, click that link, pop your details in, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So moving on to the next exercise. This is an arpeggio. And again, you can use this for whether you're singing softly, if you want to sing in your head voice, if you are practicing your singing in your mid-range in your mixed or blended register, or if you want to project, if you want to use twang or belting. So you can use these drills for any type of singing, for any genre and any style. So here we go. I'm going to speed up the transition. Last one. Now, if you're a singer-songwriter or you're a singer who would like to write songs, but maybe you're finding it a little bit difficult to either get started, or you've got some ideas down, or maybe you've written some songs and you're just finding it difficult to finish them off, or you just get caught in one or two areas, then I've got a free songwriting ebook that I'd love to share with you. All you need to do is go to the pinned comment, click the link there, pop your details in again, and I will send that direct. You will get an email with the link to download your ebook. Okay, so that's an ebook for songwriting. It's absolutely free, just like my free 5-day songwriting course, which you'll find in the description. Okay, the last exercise is a sliding exercise, and sliding is really good for getting vocal control. So this is how it sounds. So it's not a jump, so we don't want ooh. You want to move up to the top note before the keyboard, and the keyboard's going to meet you there, and then you're going to slide back down through every single note, and the keyboard's going to meet you at the bottom. So it's going to sound like this. And if you find it difficult to slide, the best way is to approach it softly. And when you can get it softly, then you can start to add a little bit more volume. So here goes. 5, 6, 7, and. And of course, you can sing on any sound. Remember to breathe. Only sing up here if it's comfortable. Please don't strain. And back down. There it is. Last one. that you've enjoyed using these scales. You can keep coming back, and as you progress with your vocal skills, you can keep using these same drills with your different techniques that you're learning. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!